Hello! In this tutorial, I'm going to export an animated character from this video to Unreal. When exporting, you can use a character from Plask or another source. First, let's import a video to Plask. Once the video is imported, you can crop the length of the video. Just drag either end of the timeline left or right. I'm only extracting one model from this video, so I will select the single tracking option and footlock option to stabilize the character. Please note that the footlock function is only available on MoCap Pro. Finally, I'm going to enable T-pose to make the first frame of the model assume the T-pose because I'm not going to map the animation to another character after uploading it to Unreal. We will superimpose the extracted motion onto the character by dragging the animation over the character. You can put your model and animations in the viewport to make sure the animations are correct and adjust the section to play on the timeline. To export, right-click on the file and select Export. This exports the animated character in FBX format for Unreal. Load the extracted FBX file to Unreal. When importing, mesh items are set as follows. Please refer to the mesh and animation settings. Let's do this in cinematic mode. Place your character in the level and add it to the sequencer. This character's animation in the sequence will be visualized accordingly. You can now use animations from Plask in the Unreal Engine. This was a guide about importing animations from Plask to Unreal without retargeting. Try Plask for free at www.plask.ai.